Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the ways to restart Netflix membership. In order to restart Netflix membership, you need to follow the simple steps. So basically what you have to do is to restart your membership, you need to log into your account. So you could use your web browser and type in netflix.com and enter in your credential and log into your account. So here I'll have to go ahead and enter my passcode. So once I'm logged in, that's going to take me to the home page, which will look something like this. Now while you're on the home page, you need to press the profile at the bottom of the page. Next thing you want to do is tap the try bar icon from the top right, go to account. So when you go to Netflix, then when you go to your profile, tap the try bar icon and go to accounts. As soon as you click on accounts, next thing you want to do is you want to scroll down a bit. You could see membership and billing option. So over here at the bottom, you can see this option is cancel membership. Since I already have a subscription, so this kind of interface appears. Whereas if you're at the end of the subscription, you could see this restart membership option at the bottom right over here. You just have to press on it and enter your card details, and this way you'll be able to restart Netflix membership. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.